A particle is dropped from origin at a velocity of 4 meter per second. So when x is equal to 0, velocity is 4 meter per second, and it's also given after when the displacement is x, the acceleration is 2 minus x. So acceleration is like that. We need to find the velocity in terms of displacement. So a is d square x dt square, which can be written as d dt dx over dt, which is dv over dt. Now this one we can write as with differential displacement, we can write like that, dx dt. Now dv over dx, and this is v actually, this one. Now this one can be written in terms of dv. We can write 1 over dv half v square, and half v square differentiation is v. So this dv goes away, so stays like that, and this one is acceleration now. So basically half v square, so we will get something from this one. We will get a relationship between v and x. So if I integrate both sides, it becomes 2 minus 2x dx there, so half v square, and this is 2x minus x square plus c. So when x is equal to 0, v is 4, so 4 square there, c there, so c is 8. These are gone because x is 0. So I have half v square is equal to 2x minus x square plus 8, or v square is equal to 4x minus 2x square plus 16, or v will be like that. So this is there. We need to find when the velocity is the greatest velocity. So when the velocity is greatest, that is maximum, acceleration will be 0. So basically we can write a, because dv over dt, that is 0 when velocity is maximum. So this one is, acceleration is actually given as, I will erase this part, acceleration is given as 2 minus 2x. So of course when velocity is greatest, a will be 0, so that will be when 2 minus 2x is 0, so x is 1. So from here we can find the greatest velocity, and that is v will be 4 minus 2 plus 16 there, so basically square root 18, or 9 root 2, which can be written as 9 times 2, sorry, so 2 root over 3 meter per second. That's the greatest velocity. Now we can also check whether it's the maximum or the minimum velocity. We can see that we need to find what interval does the particle move through. So basically we have this one, v is 4x minus 2x square plus 16. Now this part cannot be negative, it has to be greater than 0. So if we do this inequality, it is 4x minus 2x square plus 16, that should be greater than 0, greater than or equals to 0, of course. So this one can be written as x square minus 2x minus 8. I have divided by minus 2 actually, and since I have divided by minus, it becomes like that. And then if I do this factorial, I won't do the procedure, it will be x minus 4 and x plus 2, so like that. So we will see that x lies between negative 2 and 4, so only then this inequality will be only then this will be this part will be greater than 0, or this one will be less than 0. So if we plot the, we can find that actually, since this is a negative, this one is positive. Basically if I plot this one instead of that one, I will do this one. So this is the coefficient of x square is positive, so it will be a upwards parabola with the roots are negative 2 and 4, so roots here and here, so that's 4, that's negative 2, and I am doing this one, so it will be upwards like that. So it has to be less than 0. So basically this part, only this part is less than 0. It is less than 0 because I am actually doing this parabola where I have multiplied by minus, divided by minus 2. So basically it's the negative one. So original one, which was the velocity, is this one, and then it would be like if I had plotted that one, it would be like that, and then I would have to 4 and minus 2, and I have to find the one that is above 0, and then it would be. So basically what I'm trying to say is the interval is from minus 2 to 4. That is the valid value of x. So the displacement will be from minus 2 to 4.